In this video, we'll see a numerical problem based on the concept of identity element. We in the previous video have learnt what is an identity element with some examples. Let's get started with what the question has to say. Let's read the question together. If star is defined, that means star is my binary operation and the set of real numbers is given to me, so I don't have to overthink, it is just simply real numbers. And what is the operation given to me? It is given to me as a star b is equal to under root a square plus b square. Find the identity element in R with respect to star. Now, what was the definition of identity element? Identity element is an element E belonging to the set S wherein A star E is equal to E star A, and we know that whatever happens, I don't find any change, rather I get my A back. This was the definition of identity element. Now, the operation is given as A star B is equal to under root A square plus B square. So, if I consider A star E is equal to A only, that means the first and the third relation, I have A square plus E square under root. From where? From the question given to me, that means A star B is equal to under root A square plus B square. So, here goes under root A square plus E square is equal to A will remain as it is. Now, what we can do is we can just square both the sides. So, when you square both the sides, you have A square plus E square, that means under root gets removed, and here I have A square. Now, what happens is A square and A square nullify each other, so I am left with E square is equal to 0, but I was supposed to find only E, that is the identity element, so E is equal to 0. And 0 is what? 0 is the identity element which I was supposed to find. So, in this question we saw what is the procedure to find identity element. Identity element is nothing but that element which does not change my answer when any element as such A is operated with it.